Why did China modify twin-tailed scorpion, a drone debut at Zhuhai Airshow? Now look what CGTN says about it. The twin-tailed drone has made a long debut at the ongoing 14th Airshow China in Guangdong province. The newly modified model features winglets that make it more economical and practical and allow for use in a wider range of scenarios such as transport, rescue, and emergency communication. The drone's ability to work collectively is also important, as the Air Force has announced new drone contests at the event to promote its technology development, including collective intelligence. According to an expert, dodging obstacles and quick drone flock formation contests can demonstrate and improve the UAV's dynamic mission planning and perception capacities. It is ought to be mentioned that the newly modified model added winglets on its wingtip and increased the number of hard points from 8 to 12, which not only elevated its performance but also makes it more economical and practical. Thanks for watching the video.